then join Glock Clan. I think this is why Glock Clan.
Just let me fly me out, put me on something. I don't need your money. I just need the platform. Aggie. Then that nigga reacted to 3 more Soulja Boy videos after that, trying to get him back in the comment.
And then get not one comment.
Dick sucker, cock muncher.
Man didn't get not one more comment from Soulja Boy. Hey Puffy, this your cousin. You gotta understand. Once you done messed your face card up, if you come back to the stream, people gonna wanna know what's up with that PS5.
Bro, this is where you mistake. This is where you make the problem at, bro. I don't care about most none of the people in your stream. The only people that I was cool with was Sight. The only person that I'm still cool with up in your stream is Puff. All them other fools. Who are they, bro? You don't even did, bro. You don't even know. You LB and other dudes, that's it. Come on. Who gives a damn about what them randoms in your chat gotta say, bro? They random.
I'm sorry for wasting y'all time, y'all. But I was definitely not gonna make no video to this reaction. This is stupid.
Listen, man. All my people gotta do is change the name in they thing, bro. And if they not active, if they not always around, then they are random. You don't play with each and every last one of these people. I try to play with every last person that Glock say with their name. That's the fact. So nobody can ever be around. Stop it.
What are you talking about? Now you talking about clans? Now if you would have responded with, oh, I sold it, you know what I'm saying, then it is what it is.
If I would have said I sold it, you would have been like, damn, Glock, I'm your boy. You know how you talk, I'm your boy. You consider to me, I'm your boy. Come on, bro.
But Glock, what you have to understand is, bro, my niggas, like my clan members are that, like Precise or Mob or Richie Garbage Ass or Marcel, or you know what I'm saying, like.
Listen, I was just speaking on it. I don't know none of them boys. None of them. Well, I can tell you the truth, they've probably been cool with you for years, bro. We just really rocking like that, bro. You would be okay, see, way before I even came in the picture. Block, stop playing, bro. I ain't even have to get in BOKC to play with you. You was requiring everybody that play with you to be in BOKC, bro. You was requiring everybody that played with you to be in BOKC. I was the coolest motherfucker that didn't do none of that. Come on, bro, but that's how they go down, bro. We two cool motherfuckers collab. We do some weird ass shit in the middle. The fan, mess it up.
God, you messed it up. Ain't no fan messing up for you. Once you pulled that shit with the PS5, I stopped fucking with you.
You don't never tell black people to be fucking at all. Dude, no, because you enjoy the toxicity of that weird ass chat.
Didn't black people just get kicked out the clan for being toxic? It's not. Okay.
Glock has Twitter. Bitch, you got 250,000 subs with only C watching. Who's in the worst predicament? Don't put my motherfucking numbers in it, nigga. You got 250 motherfucking thousand subs and you only be having 60 niggas watching you on your highest day. Nigga, I be looking. Stop playing. The biggest stream you had was when you did Young Dolph, nigga. That's the biggest stream you done had in a minute. Hold on. You better keep on talking to Harold, motherfucker. Cashed out. Nigga, of course I was excited when Soulja Boy came through the stream. What the fuck? You would get excited if Drake if somebody come hop on your shit. Trust me, you would hit up your boy, hey, probably make a video about it. What you talking about? This man here crazy. I never wanted to be a YouTuber, okay. He's balding. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gone. Y'all call me when Glock go viral. What you talking about? What you talking about? What you you talking about? I can't go viral off you. Pulling 60. I got 17 right now. Like, stop it, bro. Like chill out. You tripping. Go on, bro. Go on. You ain't gonna get bad, but go on. God, you're a copy and paste YouTuber. You're something like everybody else content. Nigga, look at my thumbnails. No, they don't. Niggas don't make thumbnails like me, nigga. Copy and paste, nigga. You pretending to be all these niggas that's bigger than you. You ain't even, bro.